Thank you for reaching out to us and making the first step into getting window film installed on your vehicle. Here's a quick demonstration on the types of window films we offer for your vehicle. Before we go over our window films, I want to ask you a few questions. What have you used in the past? What are you currently using right now? And how long have you been dealing with this heat problem without having window film? In addition, what don't you like about not having window film on your car? Or what don't you like about the current window film that's on your car? Based on the questions we just asked and the answers you answered in your head, we might have a solution for you. So we have 4 levels of window tint that we offer here. Our level 1 is our dyed window film, our level 2 is our carbon, our level 3 is our ceramic, and our level 4 is our ceramic level 2. The difference is not the shades that they come in, because they all come in the same shades. The difference is how much heat they're going to reject and how they're going to slow down the heat entering the vehicle. What we have here is a demonstration. We're going to show you how the window films work. We have a heat sheet here that's going to show the heat transfer of the heat that's entering your vehicle. Starting off, we're going to have a heat lamp here that represents the sun. This glass is going to represent your front door. The heat sheet here, when we put it on the glass with no tint, it makes sense. You're going to get immediate heat transfer into your vehicle. From there, we're going to switch over into our standard tint. Our standard tint being our level 1. Level 1 tint is going to reject heat about 40%. Now, putting the heat sheet up against the glass, you're still getting heat transfer into the vehicle. A lot of people get confused and think just because they put a regular tint on the vehicle, it's going to help with heat. It does to an extent, but you're still getting a lot of that heat entering the cabin of your vehicle. From there, we're going to go into our level 2. Our level 2 is going to be our carbon window tint. This is going to offer a little bit better of a heat rejection than our level 1. And when we place the heat sheet on there, you're still getting heat entering your vehicle, but as you can see, it was a little delayed entering the cabin of your vehicle. From there, we're going to jump up into our level 4 window tint, which is going to be our ceramic level 2. Now, we do carry 2 levels of ceramic, level 1 and level 2. The difference is the level 1 is going to give you an 80% heat rejection, while the level 2 offers a 95% heat rejection. What we have on the board is going to be our level 2 that offers a 95% IR rejection. With the same demonstration, we have the heat sheet here. Put it up against the glass. You can see how there's no heat immediately getting transferred onto the heat sheet. Why is this possible? Well, because on the level 2 window tints, these are going to offer a higher infrared rejection, which is going to delay the heat transfer process of the heat coming into your vehicle. That's going to allow for you to have a much comfortable ride while you're driving. It's going to be a lot cooler in the cabin of your vehicle, and you won't need your AC on full blast at all times. Do you feel like this is something that'll get you where you're wanting to go? Please let us know if you have any more questions, and thank you for taking the time to watching this video and being on your way on having your new window film installed.